or initiator, even if you have to use that name, initiator, you cannot commence or get involved. In this particular case, there is evidence that not only did he start the process, but he was also involved throughout, and all steps taken by others the genesis was his own actions through the Gazette notice and the legal steps that he took. This power and control that the president exercises by virtue of his position was evident in the inception of the amendment bill, as rightly pointed out by the learned judges of the superior courts, right from the handshake that was between him as the elected president following the contentious 2017 general elections and rerun, and his competitor and challenger, Honorable Raila Odinga. He then proceeded to appoint that. So I gave, in this narration, I give the history of all the steps and that he was involved in directly, in the building bridges to a united Kenya, from a nation of blood ties to a nation of ideals, the appointment of the teams, the Gazette notices throughout. The first step had a domino effect, and throughout he was involved, and the government's role was also very clear. The difference in the amendment bill that was launched on 25th November 2020 from the amendment bill contained in the BBI Steering Committee report presented to the President on 26th 2020 are better contextualized in discussing the place of public participation under issue number 5. My conclusion there is that